the celebration of my beautiful classmate, Anna Marie and Anna Lisa. Yeah, she will bless both of them. Happy birthday to you. Baby ka na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Asa na itong camera?
Happy
birthday to you.
Katawan siya. Happy birthday. Oh, Mika.
Usa man yung kanta. Hinaya ko yung kanta.
Happy birthday.
Blow the candle.
Alam mo yun, nag-text si
Si?
Nila, blow the candle siya.
Tibunggo.
Ay, ito yung plate ko.
Muratan ka mamay. Blow the candle.
Picture. Dahil pa i-record ay...